Hi everybody, in this video we are going to learn to make this. One more time, swipe to right, delete, and a level goes up. Let's make it from scratch. So first of all, we need to have a frame. From the top menu, we put F on the keyboard or choose this one, this icon. And from the right sidebar, you can choose Android large. For example, I choose Android large here. Then I will give a grid to that, layout grid on the right side. I would choose the size would be, choose the columns, and the right grid is okay, margin 16, and the other 16 is okay. So from the top, I copy the directory and the hamburger menu. So I paste it here. So after that, we are going to make this box, these boxes and these sections. So we will have the box for each person. Let me have the width of that. That's okay. That's okay. I think 72 is okay for the height. And also I give the border radius 8 is okay, or 16 maybe. Then I will give a color to that. So light gray is okay. I think that's amazing here. Then I need a profile picture for each person, a round one. On the top menu, you can press on this icon, circle button, or on keyboard you can press O. When you press O, you can draw a circle. When you hold Shift and Alt key, so you would have the exact size. I mean, width and the height would be the same. Alt and Shift key. So that's okay. I think that's the size one a little bit smaller, I think. That's okay, amazing. 8 from top, 8 from down, and 8 from the left is okay. Now I need a name and email address, and also something for a country. These are so optional, yes. So with the Faker plugin, you can add a name, or let me write full name here. So here we have a full name. Then again, with the Faker plugin, you can give it, for example, email address. And also, for example, I need to have a country here. So I give it a country. Nice. Wow, that's too much. The long Dominican Republic. No, smaller. Albania is okay. So let's a little bit design it. Name that's okay. 16 is big. Semi-bold 14 is okay. The black is, that's okay. This 2-1. I give it 10 pixels to each font, and also change it to regular, and also the color would be not so dark. That's okay. Then I choose these 3 ones and hold Shift A to have the auto layout. Yes, auto layout, and with 4 pixels. So I put it in the middle, 8 from top and 8 from down. Now I need a profile picture. So also, we have another plugin that the name is UI Faces. I choose UI Faces and apply avatars for that. Let's have the person, I don't know, a man or a woman, that's not important. Yes, that's Simon Ulrich. Yeah, that's a German person. And also you can have the icon here. I put heart icon here also. That would be, nah, that's okay. I love it. That's okay. So now I copy this one with Ctrl D. I duplicate it. Yes, I duplicate it. And also 16 is okay. Then I duplicate to the end. Now that's okay. Now you can change the names with the, again, fakers. You can give the different names. Yes, full name, that's okay for this one. For this one, let me choose the multiple names, and let's have oh yeah, that's amazing. That's amazing. And also you can change the emails also with this method. Choose the emails. When you hold Shift key and double click on that text, yes, hold Shift key and double click on that text, you can choose it. Yes, email address, and also you can change the country. That's not important for us now. We want to have that functionality, but let's at least change the pictures. Yes, change the pictures. Now we need UI Faces plugins. So let's apply and see the different people and different faces. I think they're not real. They're not real people, so don't worry about the things. Nice, nice. Some names are for girls and some names for boys. Don't worry about that. For example, this one is Andrew, but Andrew is not a girl. Andrew is a male person. Carrie, yeah. Let's test it again. It has the error. Okay, so nice. That's okay, I think. Now, also here, we should have the bin here. If you see the prototype, when I drag it, we have a bin here, dustbin, yes. So I've had it here. Let me copy that and bring it here to this one. Amazing. So that's our bin, yeah, trash bin. Nice. That has the door of the cap and also the bin. So I copy that here, but out of the frame. Okay, for the second one, but out of the frame. I think we cannot see that. We cannot see that. Okay, good. Now I want to drag on the right side, and the second or the section which I want should go to the right a little bit. The trash should we should see the trash, and step by step goes to the trash, and then a level goes up. Let's create it. So I duplicate it, Control D. Okay, nice. It means that now I drag on it. So with prototyping, I choose this one, and bring it here. And from here, not on tap, while dragging. I think we have it, yes? On drag. On drag comes to this one, and the second person a little bit goes to right, and nice. Where is the dustbin here? From the left side, I find the bin and bring it to the picture. Yes, bring it to the picture. Nice, to the frame I'm in. So again, I duplicate it with Control D. I can duplicate it, so it goes a little bit up, and this one goes come closer to the frame. This goes up. So here you shouldn't undrag. I mean, we should choose after delay. After delay, I think 50-100 milliseconds is okay. 50-100 milliseconds. So up to here, let's test it. What will happen up to here? Oops, let's test it again. Nice. What happened? So the second one, see, up to here. Nice, nice. So let's test it again. Amazing. So drag to the right, a little bit goes up, and there we have the dust. So let's go through a next level. Now the cap, the door of the bin should be open. Nah? So let's click on that. We should have the SVG file. Open the door, and now we will have it. Wow, amazing, amazing. And this one should this one should go so closely and small it and go to the dust. Wow, what happened? Come here. So in this level, no, I think one level we did it. We did it. This one a little bit. We can bring it here, and on the second level and the next tile, next part, we can close it completely. Let's test it now. We don't afraid of testing. We don't afraid of it. Let's close it. So small, go to the dust. And now it's the time to close the door of the trash. Yes, 0% degree. Come here. Oops, amazing, amazing. So what will happen on the next part? So the dust should go out. That go out, and the other sections comes up. Or also we can choose all of them, and with Shift A, yes, Shift A, we have auto layout 16 pixels. That would be okay. Amazing, amazing. So let's prototype it again. So from this level again, after delay, 50 milliseconds. Let's have 50 milliseconds for this one. And for the next one, again, after delay, 50 milliseconds. Also here we have ease in, ease in and ease out. And the last section and the last frame. after delete 50 section. So, wow, I'm so excited to see the result. So here, and second person, we drag on the right. Oh, nice, amazing. I think this part is extra, yes? We know, excuse me, we don't need this frame. So let's delete it, let's delete it. And from here, we can come here. After delay, 50 milliseconds. Let's test it again. From this one, we can come to the, again to here. Again, and after delay, let's test it again. One more time. Right, goes, drag. Oh, what happened? But I think we didn't trash the, here we should open the door of the trash, yes? That's amazing. Let's test it again. Wow, amazing, amazing. I really love it. Let's test it again. Right, open, goes, close. Thank you very much. That's amazing. If you like it, guys, if it was so useful and helpful for you, please subscribe us. Help us to make better and more useful videos. I put the link of the Figma in the Figma community and in the description of the YouTube channel. You can go and see that and download it if you need it and if you want to do anything. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Till next session. Bye-bye.